Jesus Christ, me have to search for somebody else. Ross, Capo.
I wonder what she want now.
What do you know?
Sit down, mom, tell you.
For this she come with that problem. Tell her now.
What now?
I go on a dating site, right?
Dating style for what?
Until me done now. I go on it for find a sugar daddy, right?
Jesus Christ. What is his name?
Sugar.
So he call me at night time.
Daddy.
So the Ross they go on it for.
Can't stop now. Listen, the man said I pay me $50,000 just for come look for him.
Jamaican or US?
US him say my love.
So you're willing to make a stranger sex you for 50,000 US?
Nothing like that. The man want to come massage him more.
Massage him? Oh, are you serious?
Of course, I'm serious. But guess what?
What?
The man say I'm willing to pay $100,000 US if I bring a friend for massage him foot.
Enough money that?
You know that me I said to? That's why I asked for permission to bring one of my friend them.
Friend? You mad? Listen to me now. Bitch, let's go.
Go, best friend. That's my best friend.
I go on it for find a sugar daddy, right? Why have me a look down?